I'm the first female ambassador in Geneva, covering the multilateral diplomacy, and I'm the first Albanian female ambassador coming from North Macedonia. I became a refugee in 1999. I work with host refugees in my country that sheltered a lot of refugees from Kosovo. This is how I saw how it's important to be close to people, to show empathy towards them, to accept the differences. At the end of the day, I come from the city of Skopje, and city of Skopje is the birthplace of Mother Teresa, who taught us a lot about caring about others. And that's what should guide you in multilateral diplomacy. Well, Aristotle was a medical doctor. And there are also a lot of figures that were medical doctors, but they were excellent diplomats. With the pandemics and the new situation that has been created in our world, the center of everything that is connected to COVID-19 is WHO, which is based in Geneva. This is my link with multilateral diplomacy, and this is the shift that I made from public health into diplomacy. And as we can see, everything is connected nowadays. The migration, the movement of the refugees, all these conflict areas, and what we actually today spoke about, the gender equality, they are all here. And they are connected with public health and multilateralism as well. You asked me about the skills. Well, we were talking about the ceiling, beautiful ceiling of the Room of Human Rights in the palace. There is only one place, and that's the place of the chair, that can see all the colors of this ceiling. So you have to be able to see all the colors, all the differences. As I was impressed today to see the colors, the different thoughts and opinions of brilliant students of Geneva School of Diplomacy. And I heard today, I didn't know this, that Isaac Newton said, we have built a lot of walls, we should have been building more bridges. And that's what we are doing here. You are coming from almost all continents of the world, and we are sharing our opinions, and we are trying to build bridges.